Hey you, are you looking for awesome gift ideas for this holiday for home cooks and foodies? And I got great ideas for you. I'm gonna share my top 3 kitchen tools. They'll actually to heal your gut and lower inflammation in the body. Number 1, large cast iron skillet. This guy right here. I use this tool at least a couple of times a week because it's really easy to use and great for my bicep work. I get most of my exercise done in the kitchen. And it cooks things really evenly, and it's great to keep food warm, especially when the weather is cold out like this. It's really nice to put the whole thing on the plate and less dishes for you. And also it's detoxing because a lot of cookware that's cheap can leach out some unwanted chemicals when they're heated. And this is very reasonably priced. I believe it's $30 on Amazon, and it's very safe to use and very easy to use. So that's the number 1 item that I use a lot in the kitchen. I think it'll be excellent tool for someone who loves to eat and cook. And let me show you how you can purchase this when you go to hungrygopher.com. And that's my website. Here, when you go there, it's under resources. That's the one I use often. That all the tools I use often in the kitchen, I've used this for years. And you go to detox your body link right there, the 3rd one. Or you can just scroll down and you'll find it here. And when you click on this, Save Cookware Bundle here, that's where you can purchase this. And bam, right there, large skillet iron, large cast iron skillet. And that's a super good one to give someone who loves to cook and eat. Just as a full disclosure, if you purchase through my website, I'll get a small commission when you buy through my website at no extra cost to you. So if you enjoyed my content, if it's helpful to you, that what I'm creating is helpful to you, and please purchase through my website. They'll help me to continue to create more valuable content for you. Number 2, Le Creuset enamel cast iron. Okay, this one is a little splurge. It's a little costly, but boy, isn't that good. It's non-stick because it's enameled, and I love it. I use it a lot, especially in the winter. I make a big pot meal that they'll feed me throughout the week. And I love that, to have that backup to go to. And you can find the recipes below this link, below this video, for the big pot meal. And also I love making kimchi in it, because when you make kimchi, the winter kimchi, I usually make a bigger volume. That's called kimjang. So even if you make just 2 heads of cabbage kimchi, these are big napa cabbages, that takes volume. So I put seasoning in this cast iron skillet. Then I use this as a big mixing vessel, and that's been working out great for me. So that's one way to use it. And I also love this because you can just stick the whole thing in the refrigerator, because it's a very, very safe cookware. So you don't have to transfer it to anything else. I just stick the whole thing in the refrigerator when the food is cooled down. So I love it so much that I actually bought a little bigger one here. It's huge, isn't it? I know, when I bought it, like, what am I gonna do with this? But then I ended up using it a lot, at least like once a week. And this is awesome. And this is a great way to get your weightlifting. And I get really a lot of biceps and triceps just doing all the kitchen work. So that is my favorite, one of my faves, and that is a big splurge. So if you've been wanting to give someone a big gift who loves to cook and eat, and they'll be an awesome, safe cookware for you. And let me show you how you can purchase that one is here. So you go to the same site. It's right here. So again, when you go to hungrygopher.com, you go to resources and detox your body, because putting in less toxins in your body, lowers inflammation in the body. So that's a detox right there. So you want to put as less toxins in your body, as little toxins in your body as possible. So safe cookware like this is really worth investing. So when you go there, it'll take you to Amazon and linkage right there. And yeah, it's a little pricey, but it'll be worth the investment. And I love this. I love you so much. I named them both. The big one is called Big Mama. So I love Big Mama. And the third is a super fun one. Oh, okay. While you're there, make sure when you're on hungrygopher.com, download top 3 Korean anti-inflammatory recipes for your gut health to lower inflammation in the body and increase in return. It's going to increase your gut health. Well, why is gut health important for you? Because 80% of your immune system, about 80% of your immune system lives in your gut. So immune system is your defender, your protector. So it's very important to have strong immune system, especially when you're partying a lot. That's when you need to be extra careful and extra caring of your gut. So the third one, soda stream and Fiji sparkling water maker. This guy is called Penguin, and I use this a lot. But this is an old model. They don't make this one anymore. They got newer model. I've used this, I think, about 8 years now, and I really love drinking the Fiji water because water is detoxifying, very cleansing for your body. So if you're drinking a lot over the holidays, it's okay, but make sure you have water in between because you do want to detoxify. You don't want to, well, if you have too much of a good thing, that's too much of a good thing, right? So always a balance mechanism is very important. So I love that it's also no, when you drink the water, it's carbonated, so no added sugar, but it gives you the satisfaction. I call it virgin cocktail because it's got that fishiness, almost like minerally, and I like that. Okay, there's almost like saltiness to it. So I love drinking sparkling water. So you can purchase that item at hungrygopher.com here. So it's in the same category, detox your body, because water is detoxifying. It's gonna cleanse your body. Water is very cleansing, especially if it's clean water. The quality of water is very important. So here, and you click that one. I think that's a super fun one. You can even mix and match with the cocktail and virgin cocktail like this. And that's how I usually go about it. So I don't overdo it, but still enjoy the parties without jeopardizing my health because I still want to feel good when I wake up next morning from the party. So that's how I roll. All right. And if you value what I provide for you, if my content have been helpful to you, if you buy through my website, I get a small commission, like I said. So that way, at no extra cost to you, that way I can help you by creating more content that'll be helpful to you. So you can help me that way as well. And happy holidays. And download top 3 Korean anti-inflammatory recipes at hungrygopher.com while you're there at my website. And thanks for watching. Have a wonderful holiday.